Welcome to Module 2, where we shift our focus. We're moving from understanding the fundamental why behind pharmaceutical distribution to mastering the practical how. Get ready to dive deep into the operational aspects of this vital industry. Consider this your detailed map to navigating the intricate Indian pharmaceutical supply chain. It's a robust system that skillfully manages over Rs 6 lakh crore in domestic trade. Its reach extends far beyond our borders, touching over 200 countries worldwide, making it a truly global force. So, what exactly constitutes the Indian pharmaceutical industry? It's a comprehensive and interconnected ecosystem. It spans the entire life cycle of a drug, from its initial discovery in the lab to its final delivery to the patient. This includes a multitude of essential components. We're talking about cutting-edge research labs, large-scale bulk drug manufacturers, sophisticated formulation facilities, stringent regulatory bodies, efficient logistics hubs, and thousands of accessible retail outlets. India stands tall as one of the leading producers of active pharmaceutical ingredients, commonly known as APIs. These are the essential raw materials, the biologically active compounds that give your medicine its therapeutic effect. But our capabilities don't end with APIs. We also excel in formulations. This involves expertly converting those APIs into user-friendly dosage forms. Think of tablets, convenient capsules, soothing syrups, and life-saving injectables. This is also the home of branded generics. Here, off-patent medicines are given a new lease on life, marketed under a trusted brand name. Furthermore, biopharmaceuticals, traditional Ayurveda remedies, and readily available OTC medications all thrive together under India's expansive pharma umbrella. With exports reaching more than 200 nations across the globe and boasting the highest number of WHO pre-qualified vaccines in the world, our impact is undeniable. India has rightfully earned its title, the pharmacy of the world, a testament to our commitment to global healthcare. Let's now understand the arteries of this massive system, the business-to-business, or B2B channels. Think of these as the intricate network that ensures medicines reach those who need them. These are structured tiers, carefully designed to move medicines efficiently from factories, through various intermediaries, all the way to your neighborhood chemist. It's a complex but vital process. Let's go tier by tier, examining each stage in detail. The manufacturer, of course, is where it all begins, producing and packaging the drug with utmost care. But they don't directly sell it to individual retailers. That's where the distribution network comes in. First, they pass it to clearing and forwarding agents, or CFAs. These are regional stock points strategically located to store and dispatch medicines efficiently. Importantly, CFAs never actually own the stock, they simply manage its movement. Then come the stockists and super stockists, playing a crucial role in the supply chain. They act as buffers, ensuring a steady supply of medicines, and also as financiers, buying in bulk to leverage economies of scale, managing credit extended to smaller players, and efficiently handling returns. Wholesalers then distribute the medicines further, often catering to smaller towns and more remote areas, ensuring that even the most far-flung pharmacies have access to the necessary medications. And finally, retailers and chemists. They're your last-mile link, the face of the pharmaceutical industry for most people, dispensing medications and providing essential healthcare advice. Hospitals and large institutional buyers operate under a slightly different model. They engage in bulk purchasing through tenders, often with long credit cycles, and implement strict formulary management to control costs and ensure the appropriate use of medications. Just like any specialized industry, pharma distribution comes with its own language, a unique lexicon that governs its operations. And if you want to navigate this world confidently, understanding its nuances is key. You need to speak it fluently. This understanding will allow you to make informed decisions and avoid costly errors. Let's say a distributor misreads PTR, price to retailer, and confuses it with MRP, the maximum retail price. The difference between these two can be significant. That one mistake could cost lakhs in lost revenue or compliance penalties, highlighting the importance of precision. If you forget to monitor your cold chain metrics, which include temperature and humidity levels, drugs like insulin or vaccines could lose efficacy in transit. This not only impacts patient health but also leads to financial losses and regulatory issues. Maintaining the integrity of the cold chain is paramount. Other important terms include ERX for digital prescriptions, which are increasingly common, and geo-tagged delivery for tracking the location and condition of shipments in real time. Also crucial are good distribution practices, or GDP, the holy grail of logistics compliance, ensuring product quality and safety throughout the supply chain. Pharma supply chains are dynamic. They evolve rapidly with technology advancements, shifts in market behavior, and evolving policy changes. These factors create a complex and ever-changing landscape. Every tier, from manufacturers to retailers, reacts differently to these changes, requiring adaptability and strategic planning. For example, the introduction of GST and e-invoicing forced carrying and forwarding agents, CFAs, to upgrade their systems or exit the market, demonstrating the impact of regulatory changes. Similarly, stockists faced working capital stress during the pandemic due to increased demand and supply chain disruptions. When designing or modifying a distribution network, you need to consider several key factors. These include market coverage, ensuring products reach the intended audience, cost efficiency, optimizing resource allocation, compliance with regulations, flexibility to adapt to changing conditions, and scalability to accommodate future growth. New models like drone delivery, offering faster and more accessible delivery options, subscription-based medicine refills, ensuring patient adherence, and omnichannel pharma, integrating online and offline channels, are already being piloted in India by platforms like Pharmacy and 1mg, showcasing the industry's innovative spirit. Let's summarize what we've learned in this module. India's pharma system is vast and segmented into specialized verticals. B2B distribution involves a multi-tier structure, each with distinct roles. Knowing the right terminology is key to communication and compliance. Smart channel design ensures drug availability, cost control, and legal alignment. Emerging models like DTP and drone delivery are redefining the landscape. Now test your understanding with these self-check questions. What is a CFA and how does it function? Which tier in pharma offers credit and buffering? Define PTR and why it's crucial in pricing. What is GDP and why does it matter in logistics? Name 3 emerging distribution models shaping the future of Indian pharma.